Missional Leadership for Growth is a bespoke leadership programme that's been specially designed for the clergy of Durham Diocese. Over the last 20 years in which I've been ordained, the landscape in which we operate as ordained ministers has been rapidly changing. And so the ways in which we offer that ordained ministry and the ways in which we talk about Jesus in our communities is also changing. One of the things that we have decided to do as part of the flourishing of our clergy and our wider communities is to offer this programme to all of our incumbent status leaders over the next 2 to 3 years. We've put in a funding application to the National Church in order to be able to start this autumn with our first cohort of 24 clergy, 4 leaders, 1 accompanying archdeacon and a chaplain to help us with our worship. There'll be 2 residential blocks, and there'll also be work to be done between the residential programmes. There are some unique aspects of this leadership programme which are quite different to other programmes that have been offered within the Church of England over the last few years. One of those is an intentional missional project in which the incumbent will work with some lay people from their congregation in order to discover together what it is God has for them in terms of possible missional projects within their communities. It's a privilege to have been working to develop this programme with Rob McIntosh and Tim Marks, who will be the course leaders at the beginning of this programme. They bring a wealth of experience between them of leadership development programmes within the Church of England over the last few decades. In recent times, they particularly concentrated on equipping and training senior leaders within the Church of England, and they bring a wealth of experience to the development of this programme and particularly its unique aspects. Our hope is that as a result of engaging in this programme, we will see individuals flourishing in ministry, we'll see their communities flourishing in which they serve, and we'll also see flourishing of the mission of God within our diocese. Please pray for this initiative, pray for the funding application, pray for the participants and those that they work directly with, and pray that we may be agents of God's blessing for the transformation of us all.